Hey coders, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me Mohammed from MAS-CodeTech, and today we're going to learn how to add custom fonts using HTML and CSS. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's hop right into the video. So guys, we're right here in Visual Studio Code, and today we're going to learn how to add custom fonts inside our web page. So over here I generated some random text, and then we're going to open this with live server, and here we go. Let's get started. So you go to a new tab and type in fonts.google.com. I will leave the link down below in the description. And then over here you could select any font, or you could search the font you want, or you could choose the filters. So you could select any font you want, the type of font you want. For now we're going to go with Railway. And then over here, as soon as you click it, you could select any style you want. So I will go with this extra bold 800 italic. So you click it, click add this style, select this style, and then you copy the link right here down below. So you copy it, and then you go back to Visual Studio Code, paste it above the style.css style sheet you made, so it loads before the style sheet loads, so it works properly. So you paste it over there, paste, and then you have it over here ready to go. So after you're done pasting the link, you go to style.css, go back to Google, copy the code down here. So copy, go back to Visual Studio Code, paste it under whatever you have on the style sheet. So I have the paragraph CSS over here, and then I pasted it under over here. So go back to Google Chrome, go to our web page, and then as you can see over here, we have our font loaded. So now let's try a unique font that's different than this one. So there's one I saw over here, Palette Mosaic. I think I don't know how to say the name. Click it, select this style, remove the previous style. So let's remove Railway, and then copy the link for Palette Mosaic. Control C. Go back to Visual Studio Code, paste it under the other one, and then go in here, style.css, select the code, copy it, paste it over here, and we're done. So let's go check it out. So guys, this was a really great video. Our code worked, and thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you next time.